Hello everyone, my name is Oliver. In today's video, we are going to be recycling these old items into new ones. Long ruler, we have some pieces of fabric and a bottle of plastic. Some rulers, your measuring tape, and this is an old skirt of mine that I want to just recycle and make something new out of it. This video is all about recycling. We are going to be making hand pieces from these fabrics and some stockings. The measurements you're going to be needing is only this, your lump measurement, the fullest part of your arm. So I'm going to be working with 9 inches. We are going to be working with a fabric of 10 inches length, and the width is 4 inches, 10 by 4. And this is another piece of fabric we are going to be using. It's 6 inches of length and 2.75 inches.